We live in the loudest generation ever. Let's talk about hearing God in the middle of it. Okay. God's voice is not usually loud. It's gentle, it's steady, it's peaceful. To hear Him, you must quiet your environment. You must quiet your mind. You must quiet your emotions. God speaks through scripture, peace, conviction, wisdom, silence, doors opening and closing. If you want to hear God, create space for Him. Turn down the world, turn down the noise, turn down the pressure. The voice you're seeking is always there. You just need room to hear it.